Hello, traders, and welcome to PL Capital's Market Review. I'm your host, Paul, and today is Friday, April 28th, just after the markets have closed. And in this video, I want to look at copper. So let's go. All right, so got the drop that I've been looking for in copper. And, this whole movement for the last several weeks is very corrective in nature. And so what I see is coming from that high back in January, it looks to me like we just have a big WXY XZ in play. So here's the first three waves that came down. That was W, three waves up real sharp for an X, and then three waves down for the Y. And then you got this three wave movement up here for the X, and now they're coming down for the final wave, the Z wave. But I don't think that the low is in yet. And I just see it's either, if I zoom in here, a couple of things. I have hesitation because this ending here, it ended in three ways, and we can't have a three, because this isn't a diagonal. So we just have this three wave pattern right here, and so that's not how it should end for this first leg, like the impulse. So I think what they're doing is they're making an expanding flat here. And so as long as this 39185 remains intact, then I think that this is the running flat. If they break it, then somehow this is the ending. I just don't see it. But either way, we still need to go break it. So it's either, this is one running flat, two, and I think this is going to be an expanding flat. So three expanding flat up here for four, and then come break the low one more time for five. And that's the impulse. And then you get, some type of correction, and then back down for that Z wave. Now, if I'm wrong, and they do break above here, then somehow this whole move down was the impulse, and then now you're getting the correction, and then they'll come down. So I mean, in the end, it really doesn't matter. It's just a matter of how many times are they going to come and break this 3816 level. I think they're going to break it twice, but we'll have to see. And we'll know pretty much right away, because so far we've got what looks to me like one, two, three down, and then you got a one, two, and three up. So it looks like they're creating an ending diagonal, if I'm right, because that'd be one, that'd be two up here. And now they got to reverse pretty quick and then come down for the three, four, and a five. So we'll know, pretty much like Sunday night, definitely into Monday, because they got to sell off quick. I mean, there's just no room to go any higher. So it's got to just really start selling off, because if they do break that, then this is the low, and then you got like one, two, and then they'll be breaking it at going up, some point. I would assume it won't go very high, and then they'll come back down for that Z wave. So that's what I'm watching for. So if they break it, then that's when it'd be a good opportunity to go short. But it's not a huge move, but definitely, like if we zoom out, actually go out to the daily, coming down for that Z wave, that's where you want to be looking for your buy setup, because then you'll have, this is one or A, but and then this will be all the correction, and then you want to be buying down here, going up to break that high. So if you're into a short-term trade, you could be looking for a short if they do break that high. If not, if they do come and break that low, then you could even buy that, because you'll get some type of little three wave, maybe even a big three wave correction. So that wouldn't be bad. But just know that if they come straight down, like on Monday, that there's going to be a three wave, and then you're still coming down for that Z wave. So a couple of ways to play it, a couple of things to be looking for. So if they break that, if you're a short-term trader, you could take a little stab for a quick short. But I think the safer play would be just to wait for that Z wave to finish, and then go long and be long for copper for quite some time, actually. All right, so that's what I see on copper. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Let me know of any comments or questions, and I'll see you in the next video.